Let's see if we can get a handle on the gold chart. So we can see it stomp up, make a little swing. It tries to hold, tries to hold, tries to hold, tries to hold, and crack. So this is the key structure, and if we're looking, we can now work the swings. See, we're drawing from key structures, mapping a market here. If I turn that into a modified shift, it's projecting. And if I do something like this, okay, so we can see it come down, bounce, bounce. See it give it this last try here, and then zoom. And the same way this swing broke, this little swing is breaking. So in the same way I did the blue, like this, using relative, I can do this, and this, and I think I'll throw in some orders here. Get above the high and look for the low. See, we were swinging. 1, 2, break. Now you can see the seller stomping all over it. And this blue and red is the same as this blue and blue situation. Swing, break, swing, break. Alright, so, and we can see that that's the structure they give out. So we're just watching swing, and this swing is trying. So it's really a simple wave we're looking at, and we're using a smaller wave. So basically we're looking and saying this is a swing, and although it's doing all of this, this is a swing, like that. So, minus the tool, we're just looking at swings. And then we're using the same idea here, except we're using a little swing to think about doing an entry. All there is to it. Okay, doesn't look like we're going to get filled at this guy. Not there. The only other idea I got, I don't really want to chase it down that far, is this gap swap. There she goes. Maybe something like this. Getting a little late in the day, so we'll cancel that. But you get the idea. So it's trading. Sometimes you get hit, and sometimes you don't get hit. So I record my trading, and I wanted to do a few of these. So I used to post these up on the blog more often, but I wanted to do a few of these so people could see rolling around in the mud trading. You don't get filled, you do get filled, you're right, you're wrong, It's a nice solid map. I'm just a little slow on the draw here. That's all. And now they're coming out. So we can play a little game. If we were short, what are you doing right now? Don't lose your cookies now. You got to pay attention. Price will fluctuate. What are you going to do with that? Jump out at the first. So let's watch these little swings here as we're going. See what happens. Alright, just a quick follow-up to this video. See what gold ended up doing. And a quick description. Never did get filled. You know, we were trying to get filled here and then maybe here, and that happens. You know, a lot of times price retracing off of this little mountain here, you'll get a little bounce. But it doesn't have to be. That's trading. So let's have a quick look at this and, you know, take some of the complications out of it. You saw how the day started, the blank chart, and, you know, it's our ability to map what's going on in map the waves and structure so we can see and make decisions along the way. And it was just a matter of structuring out some swings. See, right automatically that is just basically this. It kind of takes all of the intensity and all the craziness out that we bring to trading. It's just swing, swing, nothing more. Just swing like that. And a median line. Except it's drawing your median lines or using whatever tool, doesn't matter what tool you're using, with some kind of a purpose, with precision. And in order to do that, you just need the ability to sort of filter out the noise and see the swings. Swing is a new low. I've done plenty of blogs on this. Confirms a new high. Biggest reaction leg's going to be the major swing. Next biggest reaction legs going to be the minor swing. So you can see how we can begin to dice the chart up. And you can see these are all pretty much, the red ones are all about the same size. And it's not all that difficult. You know, we get to trading and everything looks so hard and complicated, and it's going up and down and adrenaline's rushing, but it's just mapping some swings. And once you have the ability to see the waves, and price has been moving in waves, you can go back to 1800s and look at a chart and moves in the same waves as this. And it was just a matter of making a decision to go with those waves or wait for them to change in some way. I was just fine-tuning it. So again, minus the complications, it was just structuring a market, and then using all the little fluctuations to join in on that. Alright, so we'll do a few more of these live videos like this. I keep notes on my trades.